Okay, so we have a 3D printed Oculus Quest rifle. Yeah, pretty cool. So I don't take credit for the design. Noob Tube actually, so that's where the pistol grips came from, and I believe the mounts as well. And then somebody else made the front and the buttstock here, and the handy, convenient sling clip. Yeah, pretty fantastic. Okay, so we're just gonna try this out. So we're just on Gun Club. So I have my backhand, I'm a left-handed shooter, I have it on the pistol grip, and I have the controller pushed in and it automatically holds the weapon, so that's super convenient. And then I have the trigger super easily and readily available right here. And I have my front hand on the magazine housing, so that works out perfectly for a magazine release. And it's super easy, and it's pretty strong, it's sturdy. So we'll go a nice easy one, so event 7, and we'll give this a shot here. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Okay, scanning my arcs here. So it's pretty good. It does take a little bit to get used to, because it is not as fluid as just doing it with your hands all willy-nilly. Oh. Magazine change. Oh, there we go.
Stage clear.
Yeah, looks good. So not bad. Didn't do my top, but you know, 3 stars out of 4. So there we go. There we go. No big deal. No big deal. But it's nice. It's convenient. Adds a little bit more realism. And it's pretty much, I've been 3D printing a lot of stuff since I've been at home. It's just one of the little things I've been doing. Take it easy. Bye-bye.